We on another video, brand new video. Today, well right now, as of right now, we're gonna start it off with me doing some promo video for my dad's lowrider show that he's throwing. So we're gonna get the behind the scenes of that too. And y'all let me know what y'all think. Hey guys, I wanna welcome y'all guys to our Okay, go ahead.
Ready? Un poquito más para atrás and ahí merito.
Go ahead. Don't get this though, don't get this thing. Annual Lowrider Car Show that we are gonna have on April 4th at the Agricultural Center. Yeah, that's it, Junior. Fuck. And then we're gonna do a separate video for the truck, right? That's how I'm gonna be like Tulo Manny in the cut, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, guys, in the cut. So right now we're doing a little promo shoot for my pop, so we can do his lowrider show.
¿Cómo se ve?
It's blurry.
Oh, okay.
Hope to see you guys there. And yeah, right?
Okay, right. Do it again, just don't say right.
Just walk off, bro. After.
Hope to see you guys there. Oh yeah. You already know, man. Behind the scenes.
Oh, your mic.
Fucking mic.
No.
I forgot the mic was on me.
Right here. Ahí está. Ready?
And more. Do we do that, chat? Cause I think we did. And I'm on the. I still got the mic. My bad. Miklo from Blood In and Blood Out at this little local restaurant. So we're gonna go over there in the Lincoln and probably cruise with my pops and my uncle, see how that goes. And oh yeah, so we'll see you there. Guys, so the shop is the meetup spot. I'm gonna be waiting for my pops and my uncle here. I should be showing you their rides, clean ass rides. One of them I already showed in the video, but not too much in detail. But other than that, here's the Lincoln, man. So everybody's here right now. We finna go ride to the little spot, see what's up, and yeah. Guys, so I just made it back home. It was hella packed. It was a good turnout. I did another interview, but I should have filmed more, and then my audio cut out, but fuck it. Anyways, let's get this rolling. Guys, so I was on the way to go play soccer with one of my buddies, Gustavo, and fucking this motherfucker got his truck stuck. I was like, I don't know how the fuck he got his truck stuck, but it's fucking stuck. So right now, we're gonna see if we can get him out. We're gonna try to push his ass or some shit, cause I'm in the fucking cat eye. What the fuck? Too low. Fuck, it's part of it. It's part of fucking too low life, bruh. Fuck.
You trying to get that seat? There's rocks up under there. Hit that thing, is stuck on those rocks.
You can't reverse?
Here, use that.
About the truck being stuck, bruh.
Still not low enough.
It's not low enough. What the fuck? Look at this shit, gang. Motherfucking frame is stuck. Exhaust is stuck. We done burnt out on. Look how shiny them bitches is from fucking him being stuck, bruh.
We're still going over, bro. We're still going over.
And we got the cat eye. Damn, bruh. We got the motherfucking boy helping us right now and shit, cause this dumbass don't know how to drive. You might have to grab this shit from the back right here, gang. Honest.
Back shots.
From somewhere back here, we gonna have to. All right, fuck it. Let's grab it from right here, this little thing. All right, guys. So we got a little wood. No, mama's way. All right, we just gonna try to go forward. Fuck this shit. Try to go forward, nigga. That's the only way this is the only way. It smell good out here. It smell good as fuck, don't it? Oh, they're having a new show, bro. You gotta go to that one. Cálmate la verga, puto. All right. There's hella smoke out here. Oh shit. It's cause this one's smoking now too, bruh. Alright, fuck it. Let's do this side now.
Now, why don't we push it? Like, push it back.
I'm finna go back. I'm gonna try going back. Y'all let me know. Let's see what this motherfucker's truck is. See if we can get it out. Oh shit, that was already there. That don't go on no truck.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm positive, nigga. This shit don't go on no truck.
Feels hot.
It's nothing important.
What the fuck you mean?
Nigga, cause look, think about it, bro. There ain't no screws on here for it to screw on nowhere. What the fuck are you talking about?
Oh, there's something right there, look. Oh, no, never mind. I'm gonna go out through here again.
No, bruh.
I'm still trying to go play soccer, though.
Fuck no, I'm not trying to play soccer, this motherfucker.
So what's the moves?
Shit, I don't know. We finally got that motherfucker out.
No, too low, bro. Should I go lower? What y'all think?
Fuck no, I think you should go higher, bro. Lift the front.
Should I go like...
Alright guys, so today is Friday, and I'm going to another promo shoot for Active Sounds, guys. So that's what's going to consist of today for this Friday. Alright guys, so we done made it to the promo shoot. It's the roads are kinda ass, but hey, this spot big as hell, bruh. Man, y'all finna see, man, but let me catch up a little bit. But, oh yeah, we just got here at the promo shoot, man. This shit's pretty badass, bruh. Look at all this space, bro. Damn, they got a whole track over there and shit. Damn, I got some shit right there on my windshield, but fuck it. But we out here. We done made it in the track. Sheesh, this shit pretty big. Golly, they finna do a carne asada right now. Dolph, where we at?
Just Rockingham, bro, in the middle of nowhere.
We got the boy Yessie back there. Shit fire. Oh yeah, guys, you can see we just ate. Everybody chilling right now. We should be getting some rollers or some shots soon. So with that being said, oh yeah.
¿Qué es eso, man? Checando el terreno, asegurarte que la gente va a poder bailar bien. Está bien. Hay que dejar tu troca, Martín. Hay que dejar tu troca. Para que graben atrás. Para que vaya grabando, ¿o qué van a hacer?
No, we're not doing rules. I'm gonna send
You already know 2026, hottest summer truck show of the year aquí, Norte Carolina, aquí con mi compa Manuel. You already know, ain't that right, Manuel?
Yeah, we out here.
like this. It's on the outside? It's on the inside. Yeah, it's on the outside.
Patient now, dog. I'm in a rush. I'm trying to book, ayy. I'm trying to shoot, he trying to clutch, ayy. I'm trying to add him to the list like a deluxe, ayy. I'm trying to watch the windshield fall from off his truck, ayy. I'm trying to smack his twin and show him it wasn't luck, pussy.
Alright guys, so we inside the truck. We getting more shots right now.
Make sure you stay tuned. We're dropping some. No, we're dropping.
This is his 30th take.
Dropping the ball. We're dropping
These notes.
We're dropping our artist lineup. Okay, our artist lineup. My bad. So we're about to wrap it up. It's almost 5 o'clock, and we're just gonna go ahead and step out and finish up the last recording for our truck fest here at.
Alright guys, so we got the little promo shoot over with, and now we heading back home, seeing what we get into. But other than that, man, it was a good turnout. We were there for a while, but we got some good shots, and oh yeah. Alright guys, so right now we finna head to my boy Sosa crib. He working on my boy Edgar truck, and Edgar may want to buy my wheels off of me, so I'm just gonna take the NNBS out there and see what's up. So other than that, oh yeah, let's get to it. We got the boy Edgar truck. This shit will probably be dropped by the time we post this, so it won't look like this no more. And then, you feel me, Leo truck. We dropping the 5th gens. We got the boy Sosa. Finna take the bed off and get to work.
Yeah, salsa. But you see this shit right here? They put it over the hole that I need to get the bolt for the bed out.
Damn. How you feel?
Fuck this truck.
Fuck this truck. No mama. He pissed off.
If y'all put me on,
He wanna buy my wheels.
take them today, bro.
See, we'll work something out in a minute.
Yeah, wait some out, bro.
We'll work some kind of deal out, bro. Some deal. We done got the bed off.
It is True Rules, right? Yeah, it's True Rules. Yeah. What do you think we'd need for like to make the both True Rules to go that way?
Just to cut these out, to be honest, bro. This one, cut it from right here, and then this one, probably cut it from right here.
Use that band.
Alright guys, so I came back from the boy Sosa crib, and they done texted me about some truck, and I was actually really interested in this truck, so I'm gonna go take a look at it, and hopefully I buy it today. Alright guys, so we picked up the truck. The truck is here in the background. I don't know if you hear it, guys, but anyways, guys, y'all check this truck out. Let me know what y'all think. Oh yeah.
Niggas know how I'm coming, flip the script and get a bitch to ride my dick up in the Hummer. Smoking purple with my goons all night, we on the flight. Say she like the way I talk when I be ripping the mic. I know we flipping tonight, this that Burton fam mafia. Bad hoes locking us, bitch, niggas be watching us. Posted at the pizza booth, sipping.
Alright guys, so I'm now dropping the truck off at my house, and now we're going back to Sosa's crib and see what's up. So, oh yeah. At Sosa's crib right now. Hey, you feel me? We got the boy David just pulled up on us right now. Sheesh, and that boy Edgar pulling in right now, right behind him. That shit, that boy low now. Sheesh. I'm selling some ZL1s. This shit, it's alright, bro. This motherfucker, bro, he drove off, bro, with the shit not even done. He almost fucked that shit up. Okay.
The cross member. That shit fucking annoying as shit. Keeps hitting my damn drive shaft.
Bro, all the time, bro, you come over here, you stay cutting some shit. You know that? Damn. You know what you need for that though? You need extended arms, extended control arms. That boy washing the truck, man.
Like, bro, he's stupid, bro. He could have took it off with just this.
Bro, what the fuck? That boy Edgar, man, he ain't lifting no more.
Camera, bro.
Damn, you ain't lifting no more. Damn, what? When was that? Let me see. Show the camera.
No more good pigs.
No more good pigs.
Man, bro, y'all know me, bro. I've been only taking good pics, bro.
What you say, Junior?
No good pics, bro.
That shit gotta be like 3x to get a good pic. Man, that shit look blue as fuck.
Alright guys, I don't know if the wind, if y'all can hear it, but if y'all can, I'm sorry for that, but we came to the gas station, get some pictures for these niggas, and then where we going after that, boy?
Test with some wheels, bro.
We gonna put, well, we're not gonna test fit no wheels, we're gonna put the wheels on, bruh, cause he already bought them.
Make them fit.
We're gonna make them fit, so he gonna put my old wheels on, and we're gonna see how that go. These boys getting a flick right now. Alright guys, so as you can see, the wheels came out pretty good on the truck. They look good. Shit came out clean. But anyways guys, I'm gonna do another video on this truck, a whole separate video guys. But with that being said, y'all like, share, and subscribe, and oh yeah.